Welcome to a short guided visualization where you're enjoying the fall colors on a walk in nature. Take a moment to fully relax your mind and body. Gently shake your legs and arms. Let your shoulders fall and relax your jaw. Either sitting comfortably or lying down, take a deep inhale through your nose and repeat, "I am safe," in your head. Exhale through your nose while humming to stimulate the vagus nerve and repeat, "The Lord is with me." So go through this one more time. Inhale, "I am safe." Humming on the exhale, "The Lord is with me." You step onto the trail, the earth soft beneath your shoes, scattered with leaves that crunch with each step. The air carries the coolness of fall, touched with the scent of pine. Around you, trees blaze in bright reds, deep oranges, and golden yellows, their branches swaying gently as a breeze passes through. A single leaf drifts down in front of you, twirling and floating slowly before it lands at your feet. It's a bright red, beautiful leaf. The forest surrounding the trail is thick and deep. The colors blend together, creating God's artwork all around you. You smile and feel a sense of gratitude and joy being out here in the cool breeze, the blue skies, and the tapestry of red, orange, yellow, green, and brown colors. Bird song filters through the trees. Sparrows, finches, and the occasional call of a blue jay. You pause for a moment, tilting your head back to watch a pair of birds darting through the branches, their wings catching the sunlight. With every step forward, peace settles more deeply in your heart. The beauty around you feels like a reminder, a living picture of God's promises, faithfulness that never changes, love that renews, and seasons that shift yet always bring life again. You breathe deeply, letting the stillness wrap around you. As you walk farther down the winding trail, your thoughts quiet. You feel the steady rhythm of your footsteps, the crisp whisper of leaves beneath you, and the gentle assurance that you are not walking alone. In the colors, in the light, in the simple song of a bird, you are reminded of God's presence, His peace, and His eternal promise to be with you always. Deuteronomy 31:8. It is the Lord who goes before you. He will be with you. He will not leave you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. Repeat this. The Lord goes before me. He will be with me. He will not leave or forsake me. I have nothing to fear. Thank you. God bless you.